Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save Google Photos to gallery. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Google Photos app, and now for example I want to save this photo to my gallery. So I'm going to selecting this photo and tapping on the share button and tapping on more, and from this list selecting drive, and you can change the rename of the photo. You can select your Google Drive account and you can select a specific folder and tap on save. So it may take some time to upload the photo to your Google Drive. So here you can see the photo has been uploaded to my Google Drive. Now I'm going to open my Google Drive, and here is the photo which one I just uploaded from Google Photos. Now I'm going to tapping on this three dot and I'm going to tapping on download. Make sure to allow, and the photo will be downloaded to my gallery. So that's how we can download photos from Google Photos. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.